So which class? Which class, ma'am? Which class?
Simultaneously, we are having the annual sports for the pre-primary divisions. The children are all set for their annual sports. Next, we will be moving to the second position for Standard 5, and the mentor teacher for this is Pradeep Mondal sir. So I think, yes, the cheer says it all. It is obviously maths and the topic is currency. Currencies all over the world is exhibited by the children, and the students are Shomo Jyoti Roy, Moyur Ghosh, Sheikh Abu Sufyan and Ayushman Dash. I would request Pradeep sir to come along with the children. Students are Shomo Jyoti Roy, Moyur Ghosh, Sheikh Abu Sufyan and Ayushman Dash.